In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize fonts on Google Sites fast and easy. Whether you're building a site for your personal project, a business, or a school assignment, the fonts you choose can have a major impact on the overall look and feel of your site. Fortunately, customizing fonts in Google Sites is a straightforward process, and I'm here to guide you through it step by step. First things first, let's head over to Google Sites. Open up your web browser and go to sitesgoogle.com. If you're not already logged into your Google account, go ahead and do that now. Once you're there, you'll see a list of all sites you have either created or have access to. Click on the site where you want to change the fonts. If you haven't created a site yet, you can start a new one by clicking the plus sign to create a new site. After selecting your site, you'll be directed to the site editor. Here, we want to navigate to a place where we can start making some font changes. Click on any text area within your site. This could be the site title, a text box, or any place where text is displayed. Clicking this area will open up a small menu with formatting options. Now that you have your text area selected, direct your attention to the toolbar that appears. This is where the magic happens. Look for the menu box or drop-down menu that lets you choose font options. You'll see various choices like title, heading, and normal text. Click on the option you want to change, and a font style menu will appear. In the font style menu, you'll find a range of font styles to select from. You might see standard fonts like Arial, Times New Roman, and additional options. Choose the font style that best fits the theme or tone you're trying to convey with your site. It's always a good idea to preview multiple styles to see which one best enhances your site's readability and visual appeal. Once you've settled on a font style, it's crucial not to forget this next part: publishing your changes. Head over to the top right corner of the editor and click the Publish button. This step ensures that all your customized font styles are saved and displayed on the live version of your site. If you skip this, your changes won't appear to your viewers. And there you have it. You've successfully customized the fonts on your Google site. With these steps, you can easily adjust the typography to make sure your site looks polished and professional. Thanks for tuning in, and happy site building.